We'll guide you through how to get your Claude API key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude API website. You'll need to sign up for an account if you haven't already done so. Look for the Sign UP button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Once you've filled out all the required fields, submit the form. After signing up, you'll receive a verification email. Go to your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Now that your account is active, log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled API Management or similar. This is where you'll find options related to your API keys. Click on the option to Generate New API Key. You might be asked to provide a name for your key or select certain permissions depending on your needs. Fill in these details accurately. After completing these steps, your new API key will be displayed. Make sure to copy this key and store it securely, as you'll need it to integrate with Claude's services. Remember that API keys are sensitive information, so avoid sharing them publicly. If you ever suspect that your key has been compromised, you can always return to the API Management section to regenerate a new one. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.